For this demonstration, I will be OT1 and Mark will be OT2. OT1 is responsible for giving clear directions to both the other OT or assistant and the patient. Be sure to communicate each step to the patient so he or she knows what to expect and what to do to help prevent injury to you and the patient. For this transfer, the patient should be at the edge of the bed. First, let's take the armrest off the wheelchair and lock the brakes. Now, place the wheelchair at a 30 to 45 degree angle to the bed. Adjust the bed so that it's even or slightly above the height of the wheelchair. Now seat yourself in front of the patient, at their level. Move the patient's knees close together and place them in between your own. This helps with leverage and gives you a stable base, which reduces your fall risk. Now you may ask the patient to put his or her arms over your shoulders for the next step. Using the gait belt, you're going to pull the patient slightly forward so that OT2 can place the slide board underneath the patient on the side to which he will be moving. The under end of the slide board goes on the wheelchair. Next, ask the patient to put his or her hand flat on the other end of the slide board. Watch that his fingers don't go underneath. We don't want squished fingers or hands when we move him over. Now, OT2 places himself slightly behind the patient. OT1 asks him to put his free arm over her shoulder so we can complete the transfer. On the count of 3, OT1 helps lift the patient while OT2, using the gait belt, guides him across the slide board to the wheelchair. Next, using the gait belt, OT1 pulls the patient forward again so OT2 can remove the slide board from underneath him.
Go ahead, relax. We're going to put the arms back on.
We put the armrest back on the wheelchair and the patient is free to unlock the brakes. The last thing we need to do is move our stuff out of the way so our patient can get rolling.
And you're going to unlock the chair and move everything out of your way. Very good.